lighting is always kind of off here. My bad. And I don't have my ring light, so they're gonna have to deal with this little off lighting. You know, it's probably making my teeth look yellow, but they really not yellow. But yeah, y'all, I hope you all enjoyed my little, you know, montage in the beginning of, like, you know, my night routine. That's just pretty much in a nutshell like what I do. I work throughout the day, come home. Sometimes I normally go to a shop, or sometimes I'll go to like a supermarket to get something to cook, or just go get something to eat, or I'll order off of Hugo. That's pretty much like my night routine of what I do as far as like eating. I'm telling y'all, I don't know what's going on with my dang on camera. I don't know if I need to change the settings or something. Let me back up. I don't know, I think I need to change the settings or something. But yeah, like I normally do that. Come in, either order from Hugo or go to the shop or do something, you know, to get some food. And then I usually read a book or like write in my journal. I try to stay a little bit more consistent. I'm gonna be honest, like I'm not perfect. I don't write in my journal as often as I should, because there's some days I'm like, you know, don't really know what I want to do. It's some days I'm just like, Jesus, I'm kind of bored, or you know, I try to find something to do to just like kind of pass time or do things that make me happy, or try to figure out what makes me happy in a different country. So yeah, y'all, I'm not even gonna lie, you know, this experience of living in another country, you know, being from America, it's just it's different, but I love it. I really enjoy, you know, being here, and it's just so much peace. I don't know if y'all just like could tell, like from just like the videos that you all see, like as far as like the environment, it's just a peaceful state of mind that you're usually in when you're in Jamaica. When it comes down to like actually living in Jamaica and making money in Jamaica and all the ins and outs of government and all this crazy, like, you know, everything else is wicked. You know, it's a lot of like thieves and like crazy stuff that goes on the back end when it comes to, you know, the police, government system, all that. That's a little different. How much people are getting paid here is pretty stupid. Like I really feel like, to a point, like it's almost unlivable. Like, and it took me actually coming here to really understand, because it's like I think we live our lives and we don't understand the daily struggles that other people face in other countries, because we're only focusing on what we see every day when we wake up. And just because we are not going through it, or we're not going through it in our country, we think that the problems tend not to exist. But there are problems here. Yes, Jamaica is beautiful, but there are problems when it comes to the way they pay their people in their country. Like, it's shitty. Like, I don't understand. Like, how do you think somebody's supposed to live off of that? And I just pray that there could be more opportunities that are presented to, you know, increase the minimum wage here. Yeah, when you talk about coming to another country, there are some things you have to adapt to, as far as like, you know, just pay and different things. And I would just encourage you that if you are thinking about relocating to a different country, just prepare yourself mentally, you know, because it's going to be things that happen that you're going to be like, dang, I didn't really know how I was going to respond to this, or, you know, blase. But all I would say is just make sure you're preparing yourself mentally. Make sure you're becoming more knowledgeable about where you're moving to, and just getting a better understanding. As far as me, I'm still trying to work through the kinks of things to actually, you know, solidify everything. But yeah, it's just, you know, it's a lot to think about. And yeah, my night routine just consists of me just getting to know myself more, and me to love myself. Like, I think we all have flaws and we all have things that we should work on, and I feel like since I've been here, I've been able to work on those things and be able to sit in my own, you know, silence, and not have to depend, you know, not have to be so codependent on someone else's presence, or, you know, what everybody else got going on. So yeah, it's going well here, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. I just wanted to talk at the end since there was no talking in the beginning. And I don't know, my camera, like, I don't know if it's my eyes, because I've been going without my glasses for a really long time since I've been here, so I have not been using my glasses. So it could be my eyes playing tricks on me or whatever. But yeah, y'all, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please comment down below like some videos that you all would like to see while I'm here. Like, you know, let me know some things that y'all would like to know. If you are if you are thinking about coming to Jamaica, you know, like for maybe like a month or so, like it doesn't have to be living, but you know, always feel free to DM me on IG at ishine_bright. I always DM back. Feel free to comment down below. I can provide you with information, and just feel free that if you come here and you don't feel like you're coming solo, or you're coming and you don't feel like you know people, you can always reach out to me. I don't mind meeting up with people. Like, as long as you're not crazy, you're not gonna try to put me in the back of a cab or a taxi, we good. But yeah, other than that, we good. So yeah, just let me know. And yeah, you can always hit me up on Instagram to tell me some videos that you all would like to see while I'm here. And yeah, y'all, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for your time, patience, and just, yeah, bye. Love y'all.